Hi students, in the previous recorded session we were discussing about the pros. Today we shall be discussing about masculine and feminine. You all know teachers. If I say teacher, it can be both man and woman. It can be both man and woman. Example, our principal is a man. Okay? And if I say our English teacher is a woman. Example, if I say a doctor. Doctor can be both male plus female. They can be both either a male or a female. Okay, male comma female. If I say scientist, it can be male comma female. Isn't it? Or if I also say a policeman, police, it can be both male and a female. So, the woman is nothing but the female and male is nothing but like a boys, nothing but male. And when I attribute a few characteristics to them, then they becomes masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine are genders. Genders means the role given by the society either to a male or a female. Example देखो, God has not made a man to do only the work outside the home. कहीं पे भी अल्लाह ने ये नहीं बताया कि आप मर्द हो के आप सिर्फ बाहर का काम करो, औरत हो के सिर्फ घर का काम करो. ये it has not been said by Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, isn't it? Or any God or any religion has not said that only the male has to do the household work of the work outside the household and woman has to do the inside the home. No, nobody has said that one. It is the role given by the society. Society ने ये सारे rules, regulations, traditions and customs बनाए हैं. Okay? Here we say our family members. You take now the family members. There are some nouns. This is nothing but a noun. There are some nouns that only refers to male and female. This is especially so with nouns that we refer to our family members. Example, let me raise this one. Example, mother. Okay. Example, mother. Mother, you have grandfather, you have grandfather here. This is feminine. Feminine is because the female category, औरतों की category को feminine बोलती and मर्दों की category को masculine बोलती. क्या बोलते हैं? Masculine. Here mother, grandfather, nephew. This word we either pronounce it as nephew or nephew. First sound आता है यहाँ पर. ठीक है? Nephew is nothing but भाई का या बहन के बेटे को बोलती. ठीक है? Either a son of a brother or a sister. मेरा एक भाई है, ठीक है? He is a भाई and इसका कोई बेटा है. He is nothing but he is to me is my nephew. Example, I am Taskiya. I have a brother by name. Okay, she is Tina. T say Tina, and Tina has a brother Ravi. Example, Ravi. There are sisters and brother. There are sisters and brother. Ravi has a son by name Raju. So, Tina को Raju क्या होना? Nephew. भतीजा या भांजा. भतीजा या भांजा. तो क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Nephew बोलते हैं. Now we have father. Father also comes in masculine category. We have father, then we have sister. Sister comes in masculine category. Now we have niece. niece मतलब अब एग्जाम्पल टीना. टीना की बहन रागिनी, ठीक है, रागिनी को एक बेटी है। रागिनी क्यों क्या है? ये एक बेटी है जिसका नाम सोफी है, ठीक है। नाउ सोफी टीना को क्या होना? भतीजी या तो फिर भतीजी होना। इन्हें रागिनी भांजी या भतीजी, ठीक है, यानी भांजी या भतीजी को नीस बोलती, दैट इज फेमिनाइन। नेक्स्ट वी हैव अंकल। अंकल कम्स हियर। grandmother comes here. grandmother, aunt, father-in-law मतलब ससुरे। कोई मतलब अगर मैं लड़की हूं तो मेरे हस्बैंड के पिताजी यानी मेरे हस्बैंड के फादर मेरे लिए फादर इन लॉ होंगे, ससुरे होंगे। अगर मैं एक लड़का हूं तो मेरी वाइफ के फादर क्या होती? फादर इन लॉ बोलती, ससुरे, फादर इन लॉ। आंट, मदर इन लॉ यहां पर आती। सन यानी बेटे को बोलती। डॉटर इन लॉ बहू को बोलती। एंड ब्रदर अगेन कम्स अंडर masculine category. And here we also have in animals this category of male and female. We not only see in human beings, but also we see it in that is animals. Now let me look at the animals. Example, we have here bull. बुल मतलब बैल दैट इज गाय नहीं, गाय दूध देती है, उसका जो लड़का होता है वी कॉल इट एज अ बुल एंड काउ। बुल एंड काउ। अ बुल इज मैस्कुलाइन, इट इज फेमिनाइन। वी हैव बुल एंड काउ, वी हैव लायन एंड lioness. We have tiger and tigress. Next we have rooster and hen. Rooster मतलब जो मुर्गा होता है उससे बोलती मुर्गी को hen बोलती। So this characteristics, that is the male and the female, we also see in the animals also, isn't it? Now you got it, children? Yes. Now we'll understand one more type of noun, that is compound noun. That is compound noun. We see it for compound noun. So what is a compound noun? The word compound noun, you know the words like toothpaste. Daily we use a toothpaste. We also know toothbrush. Toothbrush. Newspaper. We also know about raindrop. We see these words generally in our regular usage. Here, compound noun is nothing but the words made up of two words. See here, the word tooth is one word, and paste is another word. When we mix this one, it becomes toothpaste. Here also, tooth is one word and brush is another word. When we add this one, it becomes toothbrush. Newspaper, raindrop. We have like that bus stop, bus station, or we also have fairy tale, like that. So that is nothing but compound nouns. Compound noun simply is nothing but when there are two made up of two or more words. Two or more words. Here they have given an assignment for you. You have to write it on page number 39. On page number 39. These words teacher read out something that the characters they have said. Here we have words they have given here: grandma, daddy, again grandma, grandpa, grandma, mummy, grandpa, Ravi, grandma, Ravi, Ragini, mummy and daddy. The assignment is that you have to read out the lesson and you will get what and all the sentences said by these characters. And if you have any doubt in masculine and feminine and compound noun, make sure that you contact me. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye bye.